Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change username on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to change username on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to change username on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to change username on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing username on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on settings. Click on account info. Now you are seeing username. Click on edit button in front of username. Add funds and then from here you can change your username. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change username on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.